It's Thursday afternoon, and it is a hot afternoon. We've got Benji, Casey, Whoop Whoop, and Oscar. Oscar! He's got a leaf on his feet. Come on, Oscar! Come down. And we got Coulter, and Ty, and Chloe, and Boo Boo is so hot. And Nacho. Hey, Oscar! Come over here. Benji! Hey, Oscar. There's Benji and Casey. Whoop whoop. Yeah. Come on, Oscar. Come on. Casey, Boo Boo, isn't this nice? And there's fish. There's little minnowy fish in the water. I don't know if you can see them. Right in front of Casey's feet. Oscar, come and get your feet in. Casey, whoop whoop. And Benji. And Cultibug. Come on. Come on, guys. And Chloe, she's getting her feet all cooled off. Oscar's come. Oscar's come. Come here. Come here, Oscar's. Okay, ready? Yeah, come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's cool those tootsies down. Hey? Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's like, oh, my gosh. I don't know where I am. I'm stuck in the water. He's cold. He's cold. He's cold on my feet. Good boy, Oscar. Good boy, Coulter. Yeah. All right, who do we got up here? And Casey, whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, and Boo Boo, she's climbing the side. Good job, Oscar. Good boy, Nachos. Here's Marshall. All right, 1, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Nacho, you jumped the log. Good boy, Oscar. Where'd our friends go? I saw them coming. Yeah. Hey, Marshall. Oh, Coulter. Coulter! Oh, you're such a shit. You're a poopers. Poopers. All right.